Assalamu alaikum, good morning. So in this session, we will discuss the inventory models. So for problem number 1, our answer will be our EOQ would be at order quantity of 10,000, applying the EOQ formula. So as you can see here, we have here the um, sensitivity analysis for different kinds of different amounts of order quantity. So we can see here that the order cost at EOQ level is the minimum, the least. Okay, so you can see here the total cost from 1,060 to 50, 833, 508, 501, 500. Then after this level, it will go up again to 501.6, 505, so on and so forth. So at this level, our inventory order quantity will give us the minimum or the least total cost. And this is the economic order quantity. So always remember at EOQ, holding cost will always be equal to our order cost. So we have here a graph of our EOQ. So you can see here our total cost, right? So this is the lowest level of our total inventory cost. Okay, so that would be the problem 1. So in problem 1, there's a question there. Okay, so how much, no, if we will disregard the OQ and instead order only twice a year, so that means 12,500. So these are the answers. So for the order cost we have 200 and holding cost 312.5 and our total cost is 512.5. Another question is that disregard natin yung EOQ level and order at once. So it will give us 725. And another question that asks us, what if monthly? So we will divide that, the 25,000 demand by monthly. So we have 1,252 total cost of inventory. Okay, so for reorder point, we have our lead time in days for 45 days. Our reorder point is at 4,500 units. And if our lead time days is 180, so that still reorder point is 18,000. So please disregard the discussions in the textbook because I did not find any author supporting the calculations of the author. So from Hender, Hannah and Stair, from Agamata, Roque, so there is no the same setup with the assumption in the textbook. So always remember reorder point is simply the daily demand rate, the D, multiplied by the lead time in days. So simply just multiply it automatically. Okay? So for the next question is for the quantity discounts. So we have for the quantity discounts, we have 3 price ranges, no? So 0 to 9,999, we have price of 20. So starting 10,000 to 19,999, there's a discount. So the price is just 19 and 20,000 and above 18 pesos. Okay. So we have here the order quantity. Okay. So for range 1, our order quantity is at 10,000. So the holding cost is 250 and the order cost is 250. So our unit cost is 500,000. So our total cost is 500,500. For the second price range, so again, just use the OQ and get the total inventory cost. So we will get 475,500. The unit cost is simply the number of units multiplied by the price, okay, of 19 pesos. For the third price range, so we have here the holding cost of 500 and order cost of 125. So our unit cost is multiply the units natin multiplied by 18, so that's 450,000. So our total cost is at 450,625. So among the 3 price ranges, price 3 range is the minimum. So this is our optimal level. Okay, so for problem 2, the given are demand is 39,600, the order cost is 1,000, holding cost is 2 pesos, the lead time is 30 days, and we have the working days of 264 days. So let's solve for the EOQ. So our EOQ is at 6,293 units. Okay, so that will be our optimal order quantity, or our EOQ. So we have our annual holding cost of 6,293 and also the order cost of 6,293. So again, remember at EOQ, order cost is always equal to the holding cost. So we have our total annual cost of 12,586. Okay, so for our reorder point, 264 working days. So our daily demand rate for 39,600 annual demand will be 150. Just simply multiply that with the lead time of 30 days, so we will get 4,500. So what if our lead time is for 60 days? So it's again simply 150 times 60. So that will give us 9,000 units. Okay, so again, look at the graph. At that point, that is the lowest cost for our inventory, and that is at EOQ. Okay, so next question is once a year only, so 39,600 units. So our cost will be, inventory cost will be 40,600. Okay. So for problem 3, that is the ABC analysis, and that's the assumptions in the inventory level for depending on the value of the inventory for Group A, Group B, and Group C. Okay, so the assumption of 10%, 20%, 70%, and the opposite for the money value. Okay, so ibig sabihin, just simply get the pro ratio, no? You simply allocate it. So we will get the answers 900 items and for 28 million. Okay, so for problem 4, we have Miss Juhaira, no? So again, quantity discount. So for problem 4, quantity discounts, just simply get the EOQ for each price range and then multiply, determine the cost for each holding cost and the order cost and the unit cost. Okay, so for this problem, the EOQ is at 600. Okay, so that's why we can see at 600, the holding cost is actually 3,000. Okay, and as well as the order cost. So our total cost is 300,000 for the unit cost. That will be demand times the unit price. So total cost is 306,000. For price range 2, that will be the order quantity natin will be 2,500. So the holding cost will be 11,750 and the order cost is 720. So our inventory cost, total, yan yung mga inventory cost natin. I-add lang natin yung unit cost of the inventory at 47 pesos. So that will give us 294,470. So for the price range, the same process. So only this time that the price per unit is 45 pesos. Okay, so we will get 292,860. So at this quantity discount, price range 3, we will get the lowest inventory cost. So this is our answer.